You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. We're tackling the final steps of making your big move and settling into your life abroad. A successful move starts with good planning. Here's how to prepare for your big transition to life abroad. First, downsize and pack smart. Declutter. Decide what to sell, donate, store, or take with you. Pack only what's necessary. Shipping household items can be expensive, and many things are just easier to buy locally. Important documents. Keep original and digital copies of passports, birth certificates, medical records, and financial documents. Setting up healthcare before you arrive. Make sure you're covered. Enroll in a local healthcare plan or private insurance before you arrive. Stock up on medications. Some prescriptions may not be available in your new country. And find a local doctor. Research English-speaking healthcare providers in your area. Once you've sorted out the logistics, it's time to settle into your new country and embrace your new lifestyle. Moving to a new country is exciting, but it's also a major adjustment. It's normal to experience culture shock and homesickness in the first few months. Here is how to navigate the transition smoothly. First, understand cultural differences. The pace of life. Many countries have a more relaxed lifestyle compared to the US or Canada. Language barriers. If English isn't widely spoken, learning key phrases in the local language will make life easier. And different social norms. Things like tipping, personal space, and manners may be different from what you're used to. Here's a few tips for easing your homesickness. Stay connected with family and friends. Regular video calls and social media can help you feel closer to home. Bring personal comforts. Your favorite books, your spices, and small decorations can make your new home feel familiar. And give yourself time. It takes 3 to 6 months for most people to feel fully adjusted. One of the biggest fears retirees have about moving abroad is feeling isolated. But the truth is, it's easier than you think to build new social circles and feel at home in your new country. Here's some tips for finding expat and local communities. Join expat Facebook groups and forums. Many retirees find support and local advice through online communities. Look for local events and meetups. Language exchange groups, cooking classes, and cultural events are great ways to meet people. Visit expat-friendly cafes and restaurants. Some places cater specifically to expats and are great for networking. And blend with your local culture. Make an effort to meet locals, engage with your neighbors, and learn the language. This will make you feel more at home. Say yes to invitations. Even if something feels unfamiliar, stepping out of your comfort zone is the best way to integrate. Volunteer or take up hobbies. Whether it's joining a book club, taking dance classes, or even gardening, having activities helps you create friendships. Moving abroad doesn't mean losing touch with your loved ones. Thanks to technology, staying connected has never been easier. Here's a few ways to keep in touch. Video calls and messaging apps. Use WhatsApp, Zoom, Skype, or even FaceTime for regular chats. Social media and online communities. Create shared family groups on Facebook or WhatsApp. And schedule visits. Plan ahead for semi-annual trips back home or invite the family to visit you. And mail and care packages. Send small gifts or handwriting letters. That will help you feel connected. As we wrap up this episode, here's a few final tips for making your transition as smooth as possible. 1. Be patient with yourself. Adjusting to a new life takes time. 2. Expect some bumps along the way. Every country has its quirks. Embrace them instead of being frustrated. 3. Keep a sense of adventure. Retiring abroad is a chance to experience new things and create amazing memories. 4. Stay financially prepared. Always have an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. And 5. Have a backup plan. If things don't work out, you need to know your options for returning home or relocating to a different country. By planning ahead, staying flexible, and embracing the journey, you can make your international retirement a fulfilling and exciting chapter of your life. As you prepare to start your new life abroad, SDC International Shipping makes the transition seamless by handling every aspect of your move. We provide door-to-door delivery, storage solutions, and even pet relocation services, ensuring that everything arrives safely and on schedule. Our commitment to customer satisfaction means you can focus on adjusting to your new surroundings while we take care of the logistics. With SDC by your side, your international move will be smooth and stress-free. I hope this series has helped you feel more confident about retiring overseas. If you're ready to take your next step, visit our website for expert advice, personalized moving services, and cost of living guides for your dream retirement destination.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.